Ever since All Elite Wrestling came into being, an insane amount of anti-AEW, pro-WWE Twitter handles have popped up. Most of these accounts talk about All Elite Wrestling way more than WWE, even though they claim to be WWE fans. Over the years, many wrestlers from WWE and AEW have talked about this disgusting tribalism and have advised fans not to take part in it. But what if one of the wrestlers itself is a major contributor in this tribalism? As per a conspiracy theory on Twitter, a major anti-AEW Twitter handle is being run by none other than a current WWE superstar. It all started when notable journalist Sean Ross Sapp posted on Twitter that a WWE superstar told him they have a shitposting Twitter IWC account with a significant fan following. Obviously, Sean Ross Sapp didn't disclose the name of the superstar, but revealed that they have over 20k followers. One of the most notorious hate-filled anti-AEW accounts on wrestling Twitter is Heel Uzi. The account has been spewing hatred against AEW for quite some time now. But things spiced up when another pro wrestling Twitter account said that WWE superstar Shawn Spears might be behind this account. My theory is Heel Uzi is Shawn Spears' burner, said Dav. Dav wrote this in response to a tweet posted by Heel Uzi. The tweet featured an old clip from AEW in which AEW president Tony Khan was hitting a stone cold stunner on Shawn Spears. A few days later, Dav posted another response to Heel Uzi. In this particular tweet, Heel Uzi stated he claimed that Tony Khan fumbled Ricky Saints. In response, Dav said, "I don't think this clip is the dunk you think it is, Shawn." When a fan asked, "What's making you think Heel Uzi is Shawn Spears?" this is what Dav said. He posted a clip the other day of Tony Khan stunnering Spears and calling it shit, so I have been running with it since then. So it seems like Dav, who put forward this insane conspiracy theory, is only making assumptions here and doesn't know for sure that Shawn Spears is behind the Heel Uzi Twitter handle. But there is a high chance that a current WWE superstar, or at least an important figure within WWE, is behind this hate-filled account. And why? A WWE ID wrestler, Kylie Ray, actually follows Heel Uzi on Twitter. Kylie Ray, who always boasts about positivity, follows one of the most tribalistic and embarrassing accounts on wrestling Twitter. When fans found out about it, they bashed Kylie Ray on Twitter. "You are following one of the worst accounts on X. Embarrassing. What the fuck is this, Kylie Ray? As toxic as it gets." So much for the power of positivity. Interestingly, Natalya, one of the nicest wrestlers in the industry, also followed Heel Uzi on Twitter. One fan tagged Sean Ross Sapp on Twitter and said, "It's time to spill the beans and say which wrestler runs Heel Uzi." Natalya and Kylie Ray have both followed this guy's multiple accounts. In response, Sean Ross Sapp said the following: "They followed it without knowing who it was." It should be noted that Ron Killings, R-Truth, one of the most beloved superstars in not only WWE but in the whole industry, follows Heel Uzi as well. It's highly unlikely that we will ever know who is behind this hate-filled Twitter handle Heel Uzi. But just for fun, let me know in the comments below, who do you think, which WWE superstar or backstage WWE personnel could be behind this Twitter handle?